So I read in the comment section about using a soldering iron, or in my case this is soldering iron / wood burning tool, and I changed the tip into this really skinny, come on, tip, so I have a good control over it. So I take my washer, place it in the middle, and then I just kind of hover over the arm, barely touching. If you hold it down too long, it'll melt the arm right off, so you want to just hover over a little bit. There. And then I remove my washer and keep on going. So for this part where I put the scale mail together, I actually used my dress form because I felt like it was easier to pin it and then build it down. Of course, you don't have to do that. You can lay it flat or whatnot, whatever suits you. You could also use corkboard or even cardboard if you don't have a dress form. But again, you can lay it flat and do it that way. So, but what I did is I pin. Actually, I'll show you. This is the one with the smaller loop on top. I pin it up here. And then I'm taking one of these with no loop. And I'll attach it right up here, like so. Then I'm taking another one of these with the short loop. The whole top row is going to be the one with the short loops. I'll pin that up here. That's my top row. And another one without the top loop. There we go. And another one with the small loop. Oh, come on. Pin it down without the top loop. And then I'll probably do one more of these with the smaller loop on top. There. So I'm thinking for the edges, I'll put another one of these without the loop on top, just to kind of finish off the row. Come on. And I'll do the same on this side, one of these loopless ones. There we go. And then I just start going from there. Then I'll switch into these ones with the bigger loops on top. These ones. Zoom in. Okay. And then I just start putting them here. Okay, pardon about the lighting, it's not the greatest, but what I'm gonna do now is I have my very skinny tip wood burner here. So this is gonna make it so much easier to finish up these loops because you get very good precision with this little tip. So what I'm gonna do is just go on the very edge of this, just barely touching, and then I'm just gonna push it in. These little arms so I can get them to go flatter. But when you have this precision tip, this little tiny tip, it's so much easier to just melt that one spot and not the whole arm. Or something that you shouldn't be melting. So I'll just go through all of these and just push down and close these up better.